So this is gonna be my first reaction. This is if anybody recognizes some of this interior by that steering wheel and by this short shift with the carbon fiber shift knob, this is the red TL Type S that I brought to the channel a few times before. Finally got the boost build done, but we're gonna do the first little ride along and get the reaction. Just got tuned over here at Dyno Solutions. There we go. I'm sorry. Right here on Michigan Avenue in Kissimmee. That is a phone number right there. Get your car dyno to get it tuned. But anyway, let's get going. Let's get to the action. Cranks are right up. I like that. All right. Don't mind the crack dash. Every TL owner knows this is something you can't get away from. But we are on Haltech. So that is a full digital cluster. Let's go. All right. We're gonna do the first pull.
Baby pull.
Baby pull, yeah, you know.
What to expect.
You know what I'm saying? We gotta put our training wheels on first. There we go. Oh, shit. I wish y'all could see my face right now. As a matter of fact, screw it. Yo! Yo, that was dope. That was dope. I ain't gonna front. That was dope. So yeah, very, very stable. Solid mounts, all the suspension components, all the chassis components to keep this thing level. There was no kind of torque steering and none of that. So definitely has done everything possible to make this the most safest and most reliable setup to still be daily drivable and not have any issues. But as soon as this light turns green, we're gonna go for a second pull. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Oh shit. Hey, yo. Oh shit. Oh man. Yo, this is fucking solid, bro. Fuck yeah. Let's go. But even just driving normally, man, like this thing is just still pretty smooth, still quiet. It's actually a lot. Yeah. Let's flip a U-turn. This actually is a lot quieter now on the boost setup than it was the NA setup with the RV6 True Dual. This is a lot quieter. Like this, you can actually daily drive easily and not, and not be unbearable or annoying. Like you could just be in traffic normally, just drive this along and nobody will ever know that you really got some serious work done to this thing. Sleeper build, that's what I like. All right, let's go. Ready? Let's go. Woo. Oh, yo, I'm having way too much fun, dog. Oh, damn. This is, man, you know what? This took too damn long, but it was worth the wait. This was worth the wait. We already, we did dyno testing already today. So that means we easily in the 600 to the engine. That is very, wow, my lips are ashy as hell. I just know what to say, yo. Yo, so we're in the 600s on the stock block, like the RL heads, right? Yeah. Yeah, so the RL heads, the stock block. Yeah, like we are pretty much a pretty Ford unpolished. Just a simple little. You'll see the mods in the yeah. You'll see it in the description. It's a long list. So it's gonna be a long list. So just make sure you hit the pause button and look through that list. But yes, this has been 3 years in the making. From the time it was dropped off at the mechanic's house to right now. I'm definitely very, very impressed with this. Brother, the reviews approved. Yes, sir. All right, back to the shop we go. so quiet, bro. It is so tame. Yes, 4, 5th. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's
That's right, okay. Short shifter. Excuse me. Wow.
no, I was gonna go there to do one more pull to come back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's too much traffic, bro. It's alright. I think we got our. Is he going this way? Yeah, I think we got our fix for right now. Damn, he almost slept over. Look at you rolling that shit. Yes, sir. Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap. Turbo TL is finally in full commission. Boosted 6S is the Instagram handle, the YouTube handle. Everything will be in the description below. And make sure y'all stay tuned for what's coming next, man, because there's a lot more that needs to be done to this car. So this is just the beginning. All right, anything you want to say, sir? Boom. All right, brother reviews out. Peace.